Converting personal vacations into business trips? A question I often get asked. Like sneaking on top of this roof? It takes a little bit of planning and coordination. Find some loopholes and make sure you're acting within the law. In short, I turned a party in Las Vegas into my own business trip. Thank you. We were debating which activity would be best. Both events would be joyrides down the strip. Regardless, this trip needed to be one for the books, so Chris flipped the coin. Heads, we would drive Lambos, or tails, a helicopter ride.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Whoa, 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 we just landed. About to get our bags. About to go get the rental car. In order for this to work, I planned everything out in advance. So whether I'm here for a finance conference or filming a scene, it must be intentional. All expenses will qualify that way, like this rental car. Nothing requires me to take the least expensive option to get from point A to point B. So when people drive luxury cars and write them off, that's how. Kinda crazy. Don't know how I did this, but I convinced everyone to wake up at 6 a.m. and we headed towards the outskirts of Las Vegas. Our target was to film at 3 different locations, 7 Magic Mountains, the Valley of Fire, and Red Rock Canyons. These are all beautiful places I would recommend seeing while in Las Vegas, and because we were filming for this channel and for a few other projects, that's an easy way to classify this trip as business.
I know, my hair's messed up.
It actually looks really good like that.
Like, messed up?
Yeah, it works. It works really well. Like on film, it looks really good. Yeah, for everybody, we out here doing a photo shoot with IMA out here in Red Rocks. Check it out. We just did our space suit, pun for space suit, literally a space helmet and a suit. And now we're about to do a little photo shoot out here in the deserty.
Hey Christian,
spot. What's up?
Essentially, all this hair product is a business expense.
That is correct.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Right. I could always rely on Chris to fit these random expenses into these videos. The major item that we're not expensing is our bottle service and entry fees into the nightclub. During 2018, I attended music festivals and interviewed attendees and staff on questions about taxes, so the intent was very clear. But for this trip, the business aspect was centered around filming on location, not the club, not the alcohol. So even for me, I'm not always trying to turn everything into a tax advantage. What's the point in that if you just can't live life and have fun?
That shit was fuego.
Oreo shake with fucking vodka. I never thought chocolate and vodka. I thought the same thing. I was like, well, vodka, like, fuck it, let's do it. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. Take a shot.
burning their